Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has the potential to shape Oklahoma's future, the proposed Nuclear Lifecycle Innovation Campus, or NLIC. This is a big deal, and I'm excited to break it down for you and share my thoughts along the way. So, what's this all about? Well, the U.S. Department of Energy has selected Oklahoma as one of 5 states to potentially host these innovative nuclear campuses. The goal? To expand the nation's nuclear fuel cycle and create a whole lot of jobs. But how exactly would this work, and what does it mean for Oklahoma? Let's start with the basics. A Nuclear Innovation Lifestyle Campus is like a one-stop shop for all things nuclear energy. It's a facility that supports the entire life cycle of nuclear fuel, from fabrication to enrichment, reprocessing, and even final waste disposal. Think of it as a super-efficient nuclear energy factory. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The proposed NLIC in Oklahoma would have several key components. First, there's the front-end fuel cycle complex, which handles uranium conversion and enrichment and fabricates fuel. Then, we've got the back-end fuel cycle system, which deals with recycling used fuel, interim storage, and permanent waste management. There's also a power and innovation zone for advanced reactor deployment and isotope production, and an environmental stewardship program to ensure safety and public engagement. But wait, there's more. The NLIC would also serve as a workforce and research hub, leveraging Oklahoma's universities and career tech system. This means it could become a major hub for nuclear energy research and training, potentially attracting top talent and creating a skilled workforce. Now, let's talk about the impact on the environment. One of the key concerns with any nuclear project is its environmental footprint. The DOE has stated that the NLIC would fully comply with U.S. regulatory frameworks to ensure it doesn't harm the environment. This includes regulating licensing, construction, operation, and closure of all campus facilities, including reactors and disposal systems. Speaking of regulation, the Oklahoma Department of Environmental Quality, ODQ, would be the primary regulatory authority for radioactive materials. The Secretary of Energy and Environment's office would serve as Oklahoma's policy lead, communicating with the federal government. And an Oklahoma Advanced Nuclear Energy Office is being established to manage strategy, regulations, and federal partnerships. However, one of the biggest challenges the project faces is community opposition, particularly from nearby communities, tribal nations, and environmental groups. Concerns about nuclear waste disposal are valid and understandable. The project leaders recognize this and plan to conduct research, hold community meetings, and consult with tribal leaders to address these concerns. One proposed solution is deep borehole disposal, which aligns with public preferences for permanent underground disposal near the waste's origin, reducing the need for long-distance transport. This approach offers deep geologic isolation and modular deployment, which can be tailored to local consent. In conclusion, the proposed Nuclear Lifecycle Innovation Campus in Oklahoma has the potential to bring significant economic benefits and job creation to the state. However, it's crucial to address community concerns and ensure that environmental regulations are strictly adhered to. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see how this project unfolds and what impact it has on Oklahoma's future. Thanks for joining me on this exploration. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this proposed campus. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and stay curious.